I'm in the Lord's army. I'm in the Lord's army.
Sailing home with Christ and my sister like a smile like a star until He guides me home. With Christ and my jeepney I can drive on the way, drive on the way, drive on the way. With Christ and my jeepney I can drive on the way until He guides me home.
So, ready na ba ka mamati?
Yes!
So, kilala niyo ba na si Joe? Kaya, so subong aga ang aton nga story about kay Joe. So, may isa ka tao nga nag-start sa lugar sa
Kayo naman, kayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Babrasin natin kayo ng dila. Ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Feeding one. You're feeding a lot of kids right now. So thank you so much. From me and from the LGU, the government of LGU Tapas.
Sino ang nakatapos? Pakita kung saan nakatapos. Thank you, ang process with this. James Carl Mendez at si Glenn Rosales. Thank you, ano? Thank you. Thank you. Sino ba? The girls naman. Ito.
Dalawa.
These are the volunteers. They are thankful of the gift.
To thank so much all the people of New York and Canada who were helping to support all the ministries here at the Camp Moses here in Tapas, Capiz.
I just wanted to thank all the donors from New York for the fundraising that I created. From the bottom of my heart, I give you thanks.